I jumped off the porch after taking notes. Started making dough and started playing broke. I was making.
Like, what do you think is the mindset someone new should have, like starting a Shopify brand or running ads? Like either a new brand owner or just someone new in particular getting into Shopify?
Yeah, I think you should be prepared to fail, right? Like, you know this in your journey. Like, you're not going to hit it. It's going to take a while for you to really see progress. Like, this business is very competitive. There are lots of people trying to do it. There are people at a high level doing it. So for you to succeed is very possible. There's so much opportunity, but you have to work and get to that level. And it takes time to get to that level. And when I say that level, I mean website design, product selection, marketing, copywriting, editing videos, running ads. You don't need to be a pro at all these things, but you definitely need to understand them if you are to see some success in this game.
For sure. So definitely, like, be prepared to fail with some things.
Yeah, that's how you learn. You know.
For sure.